Don't get my underwear. Are we ready? Say, and we're off.
Got it. Then you're off.
Reverse us, Liv. Can you reverse us?
Reverse.
You got it. My giant thigh is taking over the seat.
Now hit the pedal to the metal. You're too big. That thing could go 10 miles an hour fast.
It has 2 speeds.
It has 2 speeds, Chris.
Yeah, Livy's not the best driver.
I would imagine.
Nice. Chair, you're gonna hit the chair. Go back. You hit the chair. Should I call the authorities? Yeah. Luckily, I'm the one who's been drinking. I'm a designated driver. Go ahead. Olivia's my designated driver. Take us right to Uncle Kevin.
How great would it be if she drove that over to Wawa?
Yeah, you're good. Right towards the tree over there.
Oh, it's gonna go right into that table.
She doesn't really understand the wheel.
Oh, Kev, oh. It's gonna go right
Right
into the
towards the
table.
guacamole would be perfect. Okay, reverse. Just now just slam it on. Keep it on there. There's no what? No parking. Okay, now slam it down. Hold it down. Straight towards the top. Right.
Wrong way.
She's pretty good.
Oh yeah. She's right there.
She's got the gears down. You ready? Fix your movie star glasses. Get set up. Give a movie star wave. Nice. And we're off. Perfect. Take us all the way back to the swing set. I'll tell you when to stop, okay? Keep going. We've got a lot of room. Good. Okay, now ram right into Uncle Kevin. Okay? Slam it.
Running up.
Just keep going. Ready? It's not working? There you go. Just gonna go. He's not even looking at us. Just ram right. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go. You got it.
What's that beeping noise?
That's the radio, I think.
Yeah, the radio. I'll work with the radio. I think my knee or maybe my ass hit it. I'm not sure what.
Great.